The power of inner dialogue. Our inner voice, the thoughts we constantly repeat to ourselves, shapes our reality. If this voice is filled with negativity, telling us we're not smart enough, strong enough, or good enough, it holds us back and prevents us from achieving the life we desire. It's essential to learn how to calm and transform this voice from a barrier into a supportive force. Recognizing negative self-talk. There are various types of negative self-talk. Filtering, focusing solely on the negatives and ignoring the positives. Personalizing, blaming yourself for things beyond your control. Catastrophizing, always expecting the worst to happen. Polarizing, viewing situations in extremes, either perfect or terrible. By becoming aware of these patterns, you can start to challenge and shift them. Examples of overcoming inner negativity. Inspirational stories like those of Thomas Edison and J.K. Rowling show how controlling one's inner dialogue can lead to remarkable success. Edison redefined failure as learning, and Rowling persisted despite numerous setbacks. Both refused to let negative self-talk define their journey, illustrating the power of self-belief. Challenging negative thoughts. When negative thoughts arise, it's important to question them. Are they facts or just fears? For every negative thought, create a positive counter-thought. Replace "I can't" with "I can" and "I will." Treat yourself with the same kindness you'd show a friend, and stop striving for perfection. It's progress that matters, not perfection. Mindfulness and gratitude. Mindfulness practices like meditation can help quiet the negative voice. Additionally, cultivating gratitude, focusing on the things you appreciate in your life, helps shift your mindset towards positivity. Surround yourself with positive influences. People, books, and experiences that reinforce your journey towards self-love and positivity. The path to change, transforming your inner dialogue, is a gradual process. It takes daily practice, mindfulness, and self-compassion. Over time, this effort can lead to a profound shift in how you view yourself and the world, helping you build a more resilient, optimistic mindset. In summary, mastering your inner dialogue is the key to unlocking a life of fulfillment, growth, and resilience. By consciously replacing negative thoughts with positive affirmations and practicing gratitude, mindfulness, and self-compassion, you can transform your reality and achieve the life you deserve. If you found this reflection helpful, I encourage you to share your thoughts or questions in the comments. May divine love always be with you on this journey.